Happy New Year, teachers! It's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for January 2021. Slide 2. Greetings. If this is your first class of the year, say this to your Japanese students. Happy New Year! Explain, Happy New Year is Akemashite Omedetou Gozaimasu in Japanese. Slide 3. Greetings. Questions for the first week. Ask them some usual questions and teach them some new ones. Number 1. How are you? They should say, I'm fine. I'm great. Number 2. What is Akemashite Omedetou Gozaimasu in English? They should say, it's Happy New Year. 3. What year is it? They should say, it is 2021, or it is 2021. 4. What animal year is it? That is, 今年は何年ですか? It's the year of the ox. To say ox in Japanese is ushi. That's for male or female. Number 5. Did you eat osechi? That is traditional New Year's cuisine. Yes, I did. はい、食べました. No, I did not. いえ、食べてなかった. 6. Do you like osechi? Yes, I do. Or no, I do not. 7. Did you get otoshidama? That is gift money. Yes, I did. はい、もらった. No, I did not. いえ、もらえなかった. 8. Are you rich now? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. 9. Did you play karuta? Yes, I did. はい、やりました. No, I did not. やらなかった. 10. Did you fly a kite? Yes, I did. Or no, I did not. 11. Did you clean your house? Yes, I did. No, I did not. 12. Did you go to Hatsumode? Yes, I did. No, I did not. A lot of these questions are Japanese themed, and I use present tense and past tense for my students to practice understanding. Slide 4. Regular greetings. Ask, what is your name? They can answer it either by saying, I'm, or my name is. 2. How do you spell your name? 3. What is your family name? 4. How old are you? They should answer it like this. I'm 12 years old. 5. What grade are you in? They should answer it like this. I'm in the 6th grade. 6. What elementary school do you go to? They'll say, I go to. 7. Where do you live? They should answer it like this. I live in, and the area. Number 8. How many people are in your family? They should answer it like this. There are 5 people. 9. Where are you from? They should answer it like this. I am from Japan. Slide 5. More questions. 1. What can you do? They should answer it like this. I can swim. I can ride a unicycle. I can ski. I can speak English, etc. 2. What do you like? They should answer it like this. I like strawberries. I like ice cream, etc. 3. What do you like to do? They should answer it like this. I like to listen to music. I like to watch movies. I like to read books. I like to play video games, etc. 4. What do you want to be in the future? They should answer it like this. I want to be a nurse. I want to be a pilot, etc. 5. What is the opposite of easy? They should answer it like this. It is difficult. 6. How many days are in a year? They should answer it like this. There are 365 days in a year. Or they can say it like this. There are 365 days in a year. 7. How many alphabet letters are there? They should answer it like this. There are 26 letters. 8. How do you spell dog? How do you spell cat? How do you spell chair? How do you spell pencil? Etc. Slide 6. Self-introduction. That is Jikoshokai in Japanese. I've already taught my students how to do a basic self-introduction in English. You're going to have to teach your students the meaning of the next topic. Tell me about Japan. Japan ni tsuite oshiete. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. Capital in Japanese is shuto. Nihon no shuto wa Tokyo desu. The population of Japan is 127 million. That's approximate. Population is jinko in Japanese. Nihon no jinko wa 127 million. Write the zeros. There are 47 prefectures. Prefectures in Japanese is ken. Nihon de wa 47 ken. My prefecture is Hyogo. Prefecture is ken. Watashi no ken wa Hyogo desu. My city is Kobe. City is shi, Tokai. Watashi no Tokai wa Kobe desu. Once they understand the meaning of these sentences, you're going to give them a test at the end of the month or sometime near the end of the month. This takes the basic self-introduction up a notch. They usually say very brief sentences like my name is or I am 11 years old, I go to, I like. That's all fine, but I want my students to expand on explaining things in English. I'm going to teach my 5th graders and 6th graders this part. It's up to you if you want to teach this. This is just an idea. Slides 7, 8, 9 deal with phonics. My students know uppercase and lowercase and their sounds. If your students aren't familiar with them, they should learn them first. In slides 7, 8, 9, they are given 3 pictures with 3 alphabet letters. 3 of the pictures share the same alphabet letter and sound, so they have to pick the right alphabet letter. Slide 7. What letter does each picture start with? Farmer. Face. Frog. Of course, F. Number 2. Tail. T. Tennis. T. Tomato. T. Of course, T. 3. Gloves. Gl. Grapes. G. Goat. G. Of course, G. Slide 8. What letter does each picture start with? 4. Peanuts. P. Penguin. P. Present. P. Of course, it's P. 5. Baby. B. Broccoli. B. Belt. B. Of course, it's B. 6. Doll. D. Deer. D. Dress. D. Of course, it's D. Slide 9. What letter does each picture start with? 7. Hill. H. horse, huh. Hotel, huh. H, of course. Number 8, soap, s. Slippers, s. Square, s. Of course, S. Number 9, wolf, w. Wall, w. Window, w. Of course, W. Slide 10. This section deals with the present progressive, Genzai Shinkokei. So the way I would teach this is I would say, what are you making? That is, nani o tsukuttemasu ka? Or nani o tsukutteru? What are you drawing? Nani o kaitteru? What are you buying? Nani o katteru? What are you eating? Nani o tabeteru? What we have here are 4 verbs in the ing form. I am not teaching them grammar. I am just teaching them how to ask these questions in English and the right way of answering them. My students need to know the difference between the verbs and what makes sense in terms of answering. For example, what are you making? Nani o tsukutteru? They're not going to say, I'm making a panda. That's absurd. I'm making pizza. Good. I'm making a pancake. Sure. In this case, they need to say as in I'm making a pancake or I'm making pancakes. What are you drawing? In this case, they can use any of the pictures. However, they need a. What are you buying? Nani o katteru? They have to say, I'm buying a hamburger, not I'm buying a wolf. What are you eating? Nani o tabeteru? They should answer it like this. I'm eating a pizza, not I'm eating a giraffe. At the end of the month, test your students. Ask them random questions or get them to form a question. Slides 11, 12, 13 is a comprehension section. In each section, there are 4 sentences about a character. After you, the teacher, reads a sentence, the student needs to pick the right picture. Slide 11. 1. Judy walks her pig in the park. Of course, the answer is 1. 2. She feels cold. Of course, it's number 2. 3. So, she goes back home. Of course, that is number 3. 4. There are cookies on the table. And of course, that is number 3. Slide 12. 5. Ken is sitting on the desk. 6. Here's a pencil case. 7. His red pen is under the chair. 8. The teacher looks angry. Slide 13. 9. Yuri sees an old woman. 10. Yuri buys a ticket for the lady. 11. Yuri carries the green bag. 12. Yuri gets an orange from the lady. Slide 14. Action words, verbs. Go over the action words with your students. Hit, utsu, or tadaku. Lift, mochiagaru. Kick, keru. Throw, nageru. Knock, nok, konkon suru. Pull, hiku. Push, osu. Fold, oru. Cry, naku. Laugh, warao. Shout, sakebu. Tie, musubu. Try, yattemiru. Buy, kau. Sell, uru. Wave, te o furu. After going over the verbs, get your students to pantomime. Test them at the end of the month. For example, without showing the pictures, call out a random verb. For example, laugh. And they should be able to laugh. Ha 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 ha. Like that. Or you can play Simon Says. Slide 15. Games. Now this is only for online lessons. Check out this website, Games to Learn English. It is free as far as I know. So if you're using Zoom, you can share your screen, and this software has a variety of categories to choose from animals all the way to colors. So in the example, I've chosen places. And if you know how to play hangman, it's hangman. Okay, and the answer over here is living room. So your students need to choose an alphabet letter. You would say places. It's a place in your house. Give them a big hint. And just get them to call out a random letter. If it's the wrong letter, something will be drawn. It's not shown here, but it will be drawn. Now, if they get the answer right, like if they find all the letters, then the software will automatically pronounce that word. It's that easy. And this concludes my lesson plan. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Good luck. Bye.